Now, Wave 31 Storm Tracker Chief Meteorologist Jeff Castle with 31 Triple Doppler.
The weather is looking like it's going to be wonderful this week, but I know you are watching some severe weather that could come later on.
Yeah, potential for that kind of heading into the weekend. Next couple of days, though, no problems. Enjoy it while we've got the calm weather. We know it will not last. Let's kind of talk about what does remain an active pattern. We had one weather maker that moved through over the weekend. Really didn't have huge impacts here. Did bring a little bit of wet weather. That one is moving away from us right now as we take a look at the upper level pattern here across the U.S. We've got that little dip in the airflow moving out. What's behind it is what we call a ridge of high pressure over the middle of the country. That's going to bring in beautiful weather for tomorrow and on Wednesday. Our next system we're tracking, that little dip in the airflow to the west of Los Angeles, that arrives Thursday. We're not real concerned about that one. It's going to be the one behind it that has our attention. This one moves through on Thursday. It is going to bring some rain and a few rumbles of thunder. I'll show you that with future radar in just a second. But a more significant storm system moving into the west coast around the time frame that one moves through on Thursday. And then this one quickly develops into the middle of the country. And there is going to be a large area of potential severe weather that will develop with this starting Friday and continuing into Saturday. Initially, it'll be west of the Mississippi from Louisiana into parts of Missouri, Illinois as we head into Friday, and then that severe weather threat will shift towards Alabama as we work our way on into the weekend. There are still, at this point, questions. And if you've been following along long enough with severe weather forecasting, you know some of those answers don't become apparent until a good 2, maybe 3 days out. So that's what we are watching right now. We recognize the pattern. It's one this time of year that can bring severe weather. We're looking for details that will become a little bit more apparent here in the next couple days, and that's going to help us do a few things. Nail down the timing a little bit more. It's possible we may have a couple rounds of storms. One that arrives late on Friday into Friday night for some of the area, and then additional storms developing at times during the day on Saturday. Again, we'll be nailing down that part of the forecast. Who's most at risk? Will it be North Alabama, Central Alabama, Southern Alabama? Again, those details will be forthcoming, and we'll pass them along as we start to get a better handle on how all this is going to play out. And then, of course, obviously, what are the greatest threats? Is it going to be a damaging wind threat, a brief spin-up tornado threat, or maybe a more significant type of tornado situation? And again, over the next couple days, that information as it comes on in will help us fine-tune the forecast even more. So, as always, I encourage you to check back with us here on air for details and also on the Wave 31 Storm Tracker weather app. Before we get there, though, our next weather maker actually rolls in on Thursday. This is going to be a relatively weak system, but it is going to bring some rain and some storms. Right now does not look like a severe weather threat. Things are all quiet right now in 31 Triple Doppler. Staying that way through the next couple days. Clear skies on future radar tonight, and we'll be hard-pressed to find a cloud, I think, until later Wednesday night and into Thursday. We're clear in the morning. We're sunny at the lunchtime tomorrow. Plenty of sun and blue sky tomorrow afternoon, and Wednesday will be a near repeat. Clear skies early Wednesday morning. Wednesday afternoon, again, a day of sunshine. That Thursday system, though, spreading clouds in by Thursday morning. And then here we go, some bands of showers and thunder showers coming in through Thursday afternoon. A lot of that should wrap up as we head into Thursday evening. So there could be some downpours, some thunder and lightning, but right now, not expecting a severe weather threat. If you are traveling, maybe the SEC basketball tournament up in Nashville to watch Alabama and Auburn play in that, maybe headed there Friday. I don't think you'll have any weather worries in Nashville then with temperatures near 80. But like us on Saturday, they're going to be looking at the threat for thunderstorm activity and maybe a severe weather potential up there. So important that you stay weather alert if you're going to be traveling up to Nashville. You can tune in on our app, let it follow you, and that will give you the latest weather updates for that area. By Sunday, as that tournament wraps up, should get back to quieter weather there in Nashville, just like we'll see around here. For us tonight, just a little cold. We'll wake up in the 30s in the morning, but a quick warming trend from there, 56 at 10. And tomorrow afternoon, quite pleasant, middle and even some upper 70s on the way, much warmer than our average for this time of year. Wednesday, again, will be a repeat of that. Thursday, tracking some rain and some thunderstorm activity with highs around the 70-degree mark. Friday, we get a little bit of a break in the action, but late Friday night into Saturday, Again, watching for more rain and thunderstorm activity and the possibility that we will be dealing with some severe weather here across the Tennessee Valley. We do clear out by Sunday, briefly cooler in the 60s Sunday, Monday, before 70-degree weather returns again by Tuesday of next week. We'll be back right after this.